Hi everyone, it is always so good to be with you all, and I have been getting a lot of requests for a DIY, a home remedy for people with a very oily pimple prone skin. So this particular DIY is for you. For this I would be needing multani mitti. So most of us who have oily skin will have multani mitti at home, but in case you don't have multani mitti, I will be doing another DIY with besan or gram flour, so you can follow that. Now the one that I have, the multani mitti, comes as a powder. So I've taken 1.5 spoons of this multani mitti. But in case you have the brick, you have to dissolve it in water for half an hour and then you can use it. And now in this multani mitti, I'm going to add rose water. So I have this one. So 1.5 spoons of rose water to this multani mitti powder. And multani mitti, as all of us know, is very good for oily skin. It extracts oil from your skin, and so it unclogs the pores, removes the impurities from your skin, and calms down your skin. Also, it gives a refreshing feeling, and it is good for blemishes also. So which is why we've added multani mitti. And rose water also similarly is anti-inflammatory, very good for bringing down the redness of acne, very good for a refreshing feel. And the third thing that we are going to add is few drops of lemon water, lemon juice. So I'm adding lemon. I will prefer tea tree oil, but since I don't have tea tree oil, I'm adding lemon juice. Lemon juice acts as an astringent, and tea tree oil is superior to lemon juice in the sense that it has antibacterial properties, anti-inflammatory properties, so it is superior. But then since I don't have tea tree oil, I'm adding lemon juice. You can add either. Remember to use only 2 drops of tea tree oil. Don't overdo it, because I've myself seen a little bit of allergic reactions to tea tree oil when people apply it for acne without any guidance. So now make a smooth paste of it, and remember that it may not be very pasty, so you may have to add a little bit of water to it. So we add water, make a paste of this, and now you apply it on your face, leave it for 10-15 minutes, and then wash it off. And what you should see after using this is that the inflammation goes down, the skin looks fresher, the excess oil goes down, the pores are closed, so skin looks better. And don't overdo it. Don't do it more than 2 or 3 times a week, depending on the oiliness of your skin. And don't forget to take pictures. So I'll see you soon with the next DIY, and make sure you send us the before and afters if you're using this.